easy. So we'll say switch, and then we're going to say something like self. And self in this case represents the same tab section that we have here. We're just going through it. So go down to this second one, hit enter, and that will autofill everything else. So now we're using switch with switch on self, which is tab section, to go through each of the cases. So TikToks, private videos, reposts, bookmarks, likes. And you want to basically put the name of the image that you want to link to each, you know, section. So for the TikToks one, we're gonna use return, and we're gonna say this, cause it's gonna be a name of a string, and we're gonna say line.3 horizontal. That's the image that we're gonna use for that. And then for private videos, the image that we have that was closest to this was something like lock icon, yeah. And then the one that we have that was closest to repost is pretty much, so we'll say, oh, return, it's gonna be the repeat button icon. And then the one for bookmarks look pretty similar, except the I, we'll just do bookmark. And then for likes, we'll just go with the heart. And now what we basically did is that for each of the sections that we're gonna have, we have the name of the image that we might want to show for each of them. So one more thing that we're gonna add to our enum is a protocol. And a protocol is basically a way how you can add like a new ability to something that you created in Swift. So the one that we're gonna add is case iterable. And this is gonna make it that we can use our tab section in a for loop or a for each loop, whatever. But basically, so you can go through each of these cases and show a specific different view. And now what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna create one more new file, and this is gonna be the actual view that we start creating. So next, what we're gonna do is go down here and then go to new file from template. And then while still on iOS, go down to SwiftUI view and then hit next. And then in here, we're going to create something called tab section view and then hit create. And now you're going to get the regular expected boilerplate code. If I look at the preview, it's just something that says pretty much just hello world. And from the code, obviously that matches right here. So in the next video, we're gonna start using our actual tab section enum that we created to add our actual tab section view here. So stick around and get ready. And remember the motto, anyone can learn anything with time, practice, and failures.